ShoreLink is powering sustainability in the maritime industry. We are an Estonian technology company developing and producing shore power and shore charging solutions. ShoreLink is very proud of delivering 6 cable management systems for RoPax and passenger vessels to our hometown and Port of Tallinn. Most important is that we are also contributing to ensuring cleaner air and less air pollution, since the regular ferries operating between Tallinn, Helsinki and Stockholm can now switch off their engines while they stay at the port. We see that this is a benefit not only for the population of Tallinn, but for the whole world. Important steps are taken to reduce emissions, and many ports have readiness to provide shore power to vessel operators when they are docked. Choose ShoreLink's cable management systems to participate in a greener world.